The people of Sudan are asking for change. For 4 months now, they have demonstrated not only against the dramatic increase in the price of essential goods, but mainly and also for freedom, peace and justice. The image of a Sudanese student, a girl standing in her white dress on the roof of a car, speaking to the crowd, has already become a symbol. She is now called the Sudanese Statue of Liberty. We Europeans want to support this aspiration to liberty. The Europeans want the people of Sudan to succeed. We want their call for liberty to be heard and to translate into real change for a country that has already suffered too much. Last week, the Sudanese military took over power and put al-Bashir under house arrest. As you all know, al-Bashir has been indicted by the International Criminal Court, and we have repeatedly asked to execute the arrest warrant. The military leaders initially announced a 2-year transition to be led by a transitional military council composed of different strands of the security forces. This announcement was quickly rejected by both the protesters and the opposition parties. They asked for a concrete guarantee of a much quicker civilian transition. As soon as a civilian transition takes place, the European Union will be ready to accompany it, both politically and also economically.